Hello guys, so I'm going to teach you how to use a microwave to make eba. So I have my water here and I already put a little gari on it. So you see, I'm going to filter it, throw the water away. If you feel like not to throw the water away, is a choice. But me, I love filtering it. So this is it. So this is it. When you filter it, make sure that there is no single water on it again. So I'm going to put it in microwave. So put it inside and cover it. I always put it on number 5. So you see the outcome of it. So let's open it. You see? So how did you see it? It will just be like pounding yam, because everything is smooth. Everything is smooth. See? This is it. So thank you for watching. God bless you. If you make yours, tell me how it look like. Pounding yam. So guys, I'm going to use this to see. See it? Oi. This is it. This is it. Using microwave to make eba. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Stay tuned. Bye. Thank you for watching.